Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can set up a reversal journal on QuickFile accounting software. So I have purchased invoice that I received from Rent Limited, and this invoice relates to September costs. So categories that I have used is rent, and there is 550, but they relate to next month costs or the next month charges. So I will need to post a reversal journal so those costs don't sit in my August reports. So I need to go to reports, click on journals and create a new journal. Here select the journal date, journal name is my rent costs, and I put my invoice number, purchase invoice number from supplier, and I will add a reversal date, and reversal date will be 17th of September. I want to reduce costs in my rent account, so it means that I will need to credit £550, and I will move costs for this time being to prepayments to my balance sheet for £550. Make sure that debits equals credits and save journal. Now, when I go to my journals, I have two journals. First journal is what I just created, so I removed costs out, and then there is a reversal journal which will be posted on 17th of September. When I click on view details, I can see that prepayments will be reduced and my costs will be increased by 550. So in this episode I showed you how you can post reversal journal on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.